अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम पंजाब इन्फोर्समेंट एंड रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी पीपीएससी पीरा कंप्लीट सोल्ड पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 16/3/2025 को हुआ था, इसके एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे। वाई डिड द ब्रिटिश एनेक्स पंजाब टू कंट्रोल ट्रेड रूट्स? यूर आर डैश क्लेवर देन ही more. What was the impact of colonialism on Punjab? Suppression of local craft and traditions. Under CRPC, which section deals with peace on conviction? Section 106. ChatGPT is built on which model? Transformer architecture. What is the role of Meta AI in business? All of these. E-construction app is used for building permit. The synonyms of sartorial is homespun. Global warming on climate or climate change can cause all of these. Pakistan uses which platform for international remittances? Western Union. In soft drinks, the solvent used is water. Idiom bandy words means to argue rudely. The distance of the point P to 3 from the x-axis is 3. Which article of the Constitution 1973 of the Pakistan ensures fair trial of due process? 10 article. NLP in ChatGPT works for text-based response. Deforestation is primarily caused by urbanization. Which country is biggest arms provider of Pakistan? China. Which is the most fertile region of Pakistan? Indus Basin. If function used in Excel for performing logical comparison. The antonym of concord is discord. She is confident dash his ability to succeed. Of which fort in Pakistan is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Rohtas Fort. What is the required number of years of High Court practice to become a Supreme Court judge in Pakistan? 5 years as a High Court judge or 15 years as an advocate. Which movie won the Oscar for Best Picture in 2022? Coda. The synonyms of saccharine is scornful. Which organ helps in producing digestive enzyme? Pancreas. The antonym of robe is give. If y is directly proportional to x, P2 and when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 20, what is the value of y when x is equal to 3? 45. The state means federal government. 2. What is the primary use of the Dastak app? Home delivery or essential services? What was the first Islamic month in Iran before the revolution? Nowruz. Which service is mostly used for money transfer? JazzCash. What is the primary use of the railway app? All of these. What is the primary use of the railway app? All of these. One word subtraction, the science of farming and plantation, agriculture. One word subtraction, a person who studies words and their history. And etymologist, a bike seat other than the rider's. Pillion, safeguards as to arrest and detention is provided in dash of the Constitution. Article 10. Under the PERA Act 48B, what is the punishment for harming a white bowler? Imprisonment for up to 3 years and a fine. On cloud 9 means what? Happy. What is the world population in 2025? 8.2 billion. X plus 4 over x. If 1 over 5 of 3000 keyboards are out of order, how many remain functional? 2400. How many sheets are there in the Excel workbook by default? 3. Where is the M3 Special Economic Zone under CPEC located? Faisalabad. The synonyms of vulgar is coarse. How many pairs of spinal nerves are there in the human spinal cord? 31 pairs. $60. A judge of the Supreme Court of Pakistan shall hold office until he or she attains the age of 65 years. In a solution, when water is used as a solvent, that solution is called aqueous solution. The synonym for court-free is free. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point 20 meters away from its base is 45 degrees. What is the height of the tower? 10 meters. What is the title given to a member of the US Supreme Court excluding the Chief Justice? Associate Justice. Who is Ketanji Brown Jackson? First black woman appointed to the US Supreme Court. The synonyms of zone kid is exhausted. Which poet got Leland Prize in 1962? Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of Pakistan? Benazir Bhutto. Who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? Liaquat Ali Khan. If a square has a side length of 5 cm, what is its area? 25 cm. In which desert is the Diwar Fort is located? Cholistan. What is the blood circulation rate in human arteries? 10 to 20 cm. What is the ratio of 400 meters to 2 kilometers? 1:5. What does groundbreaking mean? Something innovative and new. When did the first economic war start between India and Pakistan? 1947. The antonym of the zenith is bottom. Let us sit down dash the shade of a tree for some time. In which city contributes the most to Punjab GDP? Lahore. What is the use of the ePay app? to pay utility bills and taxes, under which section of the CRPC is an FIR lodged in Pakistan. Section 154, who becomes the first female judge of the Supreme Court of Pakistan, Justice Aisha Malik, who was the first Chief Minister of West Punjab, Iftikhar Hussain Khan Mumdad. When was Liaquat Nehru Pact between Pakistan and India? 1950. Khunjra Pass connects Pakistan with China. Who was the first president of Pakistan? Iskandar Mirza. In which year was Rawal Dam constructed? 1962. Marble cancer to the Taj Mahal is caused by acid rain. Which app is used for applying for a domicile certificate in Pakistan? Pay Pakistan Identity. In Excel, which is used to perform what if analysis. All of these themes in presentations are inserted from Design tab. Commits can be added to cells using Insert Commit. Header and footer command are located on the Dash tab in MS Word. Insert protein is assisted by which organelle? Ribosome. Which is the cause of malaria? Mosquito. Who discovered that malaria is transmitted by mosquito? Ronald Ross. Out of 565 princely states in India, how many states acceded to Pakistan? 13. Winter monsoon come from which side? Northeast. Shortest distance between 2 points is called displacement. Who is the head of the Punjab Bureau of Administration? Chief Secretary Punjab. How many members of the National Assembly of Pakistan? 336. In which city did an attack occur during a 2024 campaign rally for former President Donald Trump? Butler, Pennsylvania. Who invented the sewing machine? Ilyas Home. Badshai Mosque at Lahore was made by Aurangzeb. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.